What is student learning approach? Every student requires a methodical approach with appropriate pacing. We structure our tutorials in 3 parts. First being feedback from the previous session. Going over last tutorial's homework, reinforcing, solving any issues you may have. Second, study towards new subject material, building on from previous session. This is done by way of explanation of the theory and numerous examples that we can work through together. Then we set practice questions for you to have a go at, under our supervision. Lastly, closing session, reviewing the hour's content, and setting homework for next week.
Hello, my name is Rishi, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global online tuition service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivates me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really, really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying it.
Hey guys, my name is Ashwin Thomas, and I'm a student at Firstring Global Online Tuition. And this is my vlog on how Firstring Global Online Tuition managed to help me improve on my weak subjects. Firstly, I wasn't doing particularly well at English and science. I had been getting really bad scores, and I needed help fast, as GCSE was right off the corner. That's when I was introduced to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So I started doing Firstring Global Online Tuition. I had made a lot of progress with the help of the teachers, who taught me different subjects in science and English. I learned a lot from them. They tested me through worksheets and homeworks, which was set at the end of each lesson, and we went through it at the start of each lesson to see if I was making any progress. Within 3 months, my teachers at school had started to notice the difference I was making. I'd been doing fantastically well at my test, which meant that I could beat my targets. This is all thanks to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So if you're thinking of joining, I surely recommend you do, and you will see the difference in your lessons.
Hello, my name is Boaz Paul, and I live in Liverpool. I'm now in year 6, and I have joined Firstring recently for an grammar school exam preparation. All the teachers in Firstring are super kind, and they are very helpful. They will help you to clear all your doubts, and I strongly recommend Firstring Global Online Tuition to any student. And if you need help in any subjects in school, Firstring Global Online Tuition should be your #1 choice. Bye. Thank you.